Hello YouTubers, 0 to 100 here on an adventure. It's a beautiful day out today, so I have decided to pack my drone and go for a ride to the Modlin fortress. And let me explain. The Modlin fortress is about 30 kilometers from where I live, close to the Modlin airport in Poland. It's a nice open road to ride, and it's a pretty interesting area that I'm going to. It was constructed in the 19th century. It's not active anymore, but it's a fortress that is 2.2 kilometers in length, and it used to house between 20 and 30,000 soldiers. So I'm hoping to get some really good aerial footage from the fortress, and I will share it with you as I go along. But yeah, it's going to be an adventure. I'm on my ace here, but I have been here with some mates of mine, and it's really amazing to see something like this. Some of the walls to prevent missile attacks are actually 1.8 meters thick, and it's on the banks of the river Wisła. And actually there is a building on the other side that is completely demolished, that you cannot use. But yeah, I'm not sure that was an extension of the fortress or if it was used for something else. But it looks really interesting, and you will see at the end of the video the aerial footage from the drone. So yeah, that was Modlin Fortress. Quite an impressive piece of architecture built in the 19th century. I have been there, of course, before. It's not the first time, but today was lovely out, and I thought, well, let's go for a quick ride and do some aerial photography, which I've never done, of the Modlin Fortress. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give us the thumbs up, share and subscribe. It means a lot to us YouTubers, as you all know. Help a guy grow his channel, and I'll keep you posted on my next adventures. 0 to 100, over and out. See you around. Bye.